And welcome to the Science and Technology Education part of the Introduction to Curriculum course. My name is Dr. Don Phillip and I'm your course instructor. The tutorial assistant for this course is Anna Iannini. Our contact information is given on the lecture slides that accompany this presentation. I have a science degree, an artist diploma in music, and have worked as a professional musician, a Bachelor of Education, a Master's, and a PhD, both focusing on educational technology. I worked for 15 years as a science teacher for the Toronto Board and was the course instructor and course coordinator for the Science Education minor program at the University of Toronto's Mississauga campus. I have 3 children and have experienced the school system both as a teacher and a parent. I was also a Cub and Scout leader for many years, which means that I've worked with the age group that you will be teaching. Currently, I'm also a Science Outreach Coordinator at the IDAPT Centre for Rehabilitation Research at the Toronto Rehabilitation Institute, which is part of the University Health Network, and they don't like me to say it that way. We will get to visit that facility during this course. This will give you a chance to visit an actual working lab facility, something that teachers don't usually get to see. Normally, this class would be in person, but because the first day of the class falls on Family Day and the university is closed, we can't be in a physical class. Hence, we fall back on the virtual class for this week. As virtual classes are becoming more common, for example on snow days, it's not actually a bad thing for you to experience one. In the Ontario curriculum, there are 8 grades at 4 topic areas per grade, giving 32 distinct areas you could be asked to teach. In a 6-week course, it's not possible to cover all of these. So what we will do is to talk about things, show you some examples of things you could do in class, and expose you to some of the many helpful resources you can find on the internet. One of the things that I most particularly want you to realize as we go through this course is that the world is undergoing a period of the most rapid change in human history, and that you, as a teacher, are caught in the middle of it. Education has to change, and you will be asked to make rapid changes in what and how you teach as you go through your career. The remainder of this presentation is an attempt to demonstrate what is happening and to make some reasonable extrapolations into the future. While it's impossible to predict the future, there are too many unknown factors that can derail any predictions. We're pretty good these days at predictions on 10-year time frames. That's in part because of the way technology design works. From the working prototype to a commercial product takes an average of 10 years. So if you know what's in the labs, you can pretty much know what will be available in 10 years' time and can therefore make some reasonable predictions about it. I will break this presentation into a number of parts because research has shown that when online video gets much larger than 10 minutes, people lose interest. The lecture slides for this week are in our Pepper online course database in the Week 1 conference. Please be sure to have the lecture slides active on your computer while you watch this presentation and the following presentations. This is because I will also stop the presentation at various points and ask you to go to a website and watch a video segment to make particular points. With that said, I will stop this introduction now and you can move on your own time, to the second part of the presentation.